Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Hope your day is going good. Today, I just wanted to talk about trading futures on the Ninjatrader platform. This is something that I don't typically talk about on my channel, seeing as we focus mostly on crypto. But I figured today was a good day to start doing it. So, on the Ninjatrader's platform, you do need to use a broker account that they support. After that, you can set up um, your screen to basically be viewed any way you want. You can add plenty of different pop-ups, like a level 2 if you want it. Right now, what I have is my account summary, an easy bid way of buying, an order book way of buying. This is called the dynamic order management. So my orders will pop up next to here so I can uh, easily dismiss them if I want. And then I have my chart, which right now I'm trading the ES March futures on. You can see each and every one of my trades is posted on this chart as well. Here you can see that they start you out with a demo account, and then once you fund an account, it'll appear below it. So here's mine, the second line. Today, my P&L was $1,021.96. So that is from today's trading, which can again be seen here on the chart. When you're trading futures, you do need a $500. Basically, each contract is $500 for the ES. It's an account minimum of $1,000 deposit, but you must have at least $500 in margin in order to be able to trade. Once you enter a trade on ES futures, each 25-cent move is going to be worth $12.50 per contract. So a dollar move will be equal to a $50 gain. So a $1 move is a $50 gain or loss. What this allows for us as traders is a lot of really good scalping options. If you do get a good entry, you can ride it out, but it is a little more dangerous seeing as it's such high leverage. You need to really time things perfectly if you want to ride it out long term. For me, I'm basically just getting in and out very quickly. Each of my trades lasts um, probably just anywhere from a couple minutes down to a couple seconds. And I'm shooting for a 2-to-1 profit return. So for every dollar that I risk on the trade, I want to gain $2 of profit, right? And that's on the price movement. So I want to gain $100 for every $50 that I'm trading. So this is the NinjaTrader outlook, basically. They do charge commissions, which is why I have $1,125 as my gross realized, but I've only realized $1,021 out of that because they have taken commissions off of my trading. But this is a great option for people who don't have a full $25,000 account to day trade stocks. You can day trade futures as much as you want just off of that account minimum. This platform does offer everything like stop market, stop limit. You can market in, market out, limit in, limit out. And then you do see your P&L here as you're trading. That's basically it for the futures side. If this is something that interests you again, just go ahead and go to ninjatrader.com to find out more. I do also run a group, a community of people called Chart Bulls Trading. We day trade crypto and stocks and basically talk about that all day, every day. If that's something that interests you, go ahead and click that first link in the description to join the free chat room. If you're interested in learning how to day trade and make some gains like $1,000 a day like this, go ahead and click that second link in the description and figure out how to day trade like me. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Peace.